Would you like to go into the world of tech? There are lots of opportunities that you are missing because you've not learned a tech skill. I know that you are aware that we're in a digital age where digital skills are needed by companies, organizations, and even individuals. So what is stopping you from learning a tech skill? Is it your village people? I don't think so. Let me shock you. I have never seen anyone with good tech skills in high demand that is still jobless. Yes, I know you'll be wondering what these tech skills in high demand are. Don't worry, I will tell you in this video. My name is Betty. So, before I mention these skills, here are 5 reasons why you should learn a tech skill today. Tons of opportunity. If you've got tech skills, the door is wide open both here in Nigeria and abroad. Companies are hiring. In fact, you can start your side hustle. You'll see opportunities to make money every day. Get hired faster. Employees need people with digital expertise, and that could be you landing the job quickly. Higher paychecks. Who does not want more money? Digital skills come in high demand and they pay very well. You'll definitely be earning more. Freelancing opportunities. With digital skills, you can work for yourself, pick up clients and projects on your own terms. Remote job and earning in dollars. Work from anywhere and get paid in dollars by companies from around the world. Sounds amazing, right? Now, here are some tech skills in high demand that you can learn today. We have data analysis, digital marketing, website design and development, UI UX design, graphics design, motion graphics and video editing, social media management, digital literacy, office management, and so much more. The opportunity in tech are endless. Take action today and start learning. How about now? Don't be your own village people. Not sure where to start? Contact us at BizMarrow Technologies today and we will help you get started. Bye.